Moshir, also known as Moshir Caravanserai, is a historical caravanserai located in Shiraz, Iran. It was built during Qajar era in the 19th century. Caravanserai were crucial in ancient time as resting places for travelers, traders, and their animals along the ancient trade routes, providing them with shelter, food, and a secure place to stay. Saray-e Moshir is a fine example of Persian architecture from the period, characterized by its grand entrance portal, vaulted halls, and intricate tilework. The Caravanserai consists of a large central courtyard surrounded by chambers that were used as rooms for travelers, storage spaces, and sometimes as shops or workshops. Today, Saray-e Moshir serves as a cultural heritage site and tourist attraction in Shiraz, attracting visitors who are interested in experiencing a piece of Iran's rich history and architecture. It's not only a testament to the importance of trade and travel in the region, but also a reminder of the skilled craftsmanship and artistic beauty of Persian architecture. Gold and silver jewelry made at Saray-e Moshir often feature patterns and design inspired by ancient Iranian culture and art, from the intricate enamel work that adds vibrancy and beauty to the pieces, to the embossed jewelry adorned with motifs inspired by Iranian architecture and floral patterns. Each this contributes to making Saray-e Moshir a prominent destination for purchasing artistic beauty. Copper utensil making in Iran has a rich tradition that dates back centuries. Iranian copperware, known for its quality, craftsmanship, and intricate designs, is highly esteemed both domestically and internationally. Skilled artisans, often with using various tools such as hammers and molds, employ traditional techniques passed down through generations to create intricate patterns and design on the surface of the utensils.
دستتون درد نکنه. چند سال اینجا کار میکنه؟ چند سال کارتون اینه؟
60 سال. نوکره.